Hey there, Andiepetoskey here, and wanted to share with you a new product that was recently released from iMarketsLive. It's the 8th product that is a part of the iMarketsLive product suite, and I haven't done a video in a while, so I wanted to get on here and kind of share with you some results. I've been testing this really just for a few days, but a lot of people have been testing this new scanner product and have just seen amazing results. So that obviously inspired me to test it and share with you guys some results too, because it's pretty cool. Great for new people, great for people that know how to trade, great for people that want to make some quick money potentially. You know, past profits don't guarantee future results. I need to say that. But this is pretty cool. It's a really, really neat product. And for me, I'm a new trader. I haven't done Forex for years and years. I've only been trading for a few months. And so what I wanted to do today, the markets are closed. It's Saturday, but I wanted to share with you my results just from Friday, actually just from yesterday. I have been very busy and haven't been able to do a lot of trading or actually record any videos, but based on the quick results that I had yesterday, I wanted to share this with you. So let's go to my results. We're going to go to my MetaTrader 4 account. And you can see it's a real account right here, my JAFX, that's my broker. This is my MT4 account. And here's some trades from yesterday. So yesterday was 12/1, today's 12/2. You can see that right down here, Saturday, December 2. So I wanted to share with you some quick results. Like I said, I'm testing this still, but this is a live account that I'm testing. And I highly suggest you demo this if you're going to try it. You know, practice this on a demo account so that you can figure out what strategy is working for you. But as you can see, let's see, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades. All were profitable. Now, as you can see, my lot sizes aren't real large, and my profits aren't that large. But I'll tell you, in the time that I did this, and I was doing other things while I was trading this, I can do this all from my phone, to be honest with you. A lot of this I was doing directly from my phone. But I earned almost 30 bucks just in the afternoon on Friday, just trading every so often. And I did 10 trades, and I won all 10 trades, right? So pretty cool stuff. And this is scalping, so it's really where you're getting in quickly and getting out quickly. Your take profits amount is smaller, so you're basically getting in, setting a small take profit, and getting out. Okay? Now what I'm going to do eventually is I'm going to increase my lot size so that my profits will be bigger. However, when you increase your lot size, you also run the risk of losing more if you lose a trade. Okay, but we'll get into that in a minute. So let's take a look. I'm going to share with you what this product is. This is the IML Web Analyzer, the iMarketsLive Web Analyzer. Basically, it's a scanner that's looking at all the pairs, and it has some software and coding and algorithms that's looking for certain things based on certain indicators. You don't need to know any of that really. You just need to know what to do when you get a trade alert, okay? So basically what happens is this scanner is running on my PC, and again, the market's closed right now. You can see that right here. But basically what happens when a new trade is ready, when the scanner or the analyzer detects that a potential trade is ready, it will indicate that with a cha-ching sound, and then you get all the information over here on the right hand side. The green boxes are buys, the red boxes are sells. Pretty simple, right? So this was a trade from Friday This was the Euro Japanese yen. It's from right here. And basically, and again, guys, I'm just sharing with you some results. What I will do, hopefully it may be on tomorrow, which is Sunday when the market opens, if there are some, which there will be trades. There's trades always, potential trades always being announced or alerted through this really cool tool. I will show you what to do and how to do it. But basically, when a new pattern or new scan or new pair is recognized as a possible trade, it will cha-ching. And so what happens is, let's say it's this Euro JPY, you click on it, and it will bring you to the Euro JPY pair. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to be quick about it, and then I will actually do a live trade demo this week once the market's open. But basically, I get rid of the Bollinger Bands, I get rid of the MA, and I get rid of the EMA. I like to keep the volume there, and I also keep the RSI and the MACD here. So this potential trade, potential buy on Euro JPY, it's on the 5-minute chart. And this is what you have to do. You have to look at when that was called, okay? Now, the analyzer uses UTC, which is Universal Time. So what you got to do is, it was called on 12:01, which is Friday, at 2015, basically. 2015. So you come over here, and down here at the bottom, you can see the time. So watch as I move around, you can see the time. So what we want to find is 2015. So we got to go over, these are 5-minute increments because these are 5-minute candles. So here is where it would be, right here, 2015. Okay? Now what we do is we come over here to this tool selection, and because this is a buy, we select this long position. If it was a sell, and I'll show you what to do with this, if it was a sell, we would select the short position. So just remember, sell short, buy is long, sell short, buy is long. So this is a buy on the Euro JPY, so we're going to select the long position. We're going to come over here to 2015, right here, and we plop that on there. And then what we do is we put in our take profits, we put in our stop loss, and then we just let the trade do what it's got to do. Okay. Now I also, this is, you don't put the trade in here on the IML Web Analyzer. You actually pull up your phone, and you will do the trade on your phone. Okay. So for example, let's just say we took the trade right here, and you can come up here to settings, and let's say we got in at, well, actually, let me go to my charts, or my MetaTrader. That was the Euro JPY right here. Okay, here's the trade. So the price that I got in was 133.306. Okay, so let's go back here and say 133.306. So that's the price. Okay, now what you put in these other boxes, I'm going to show you. So what kind of profit level are we going to take? Now this is what I have been using that has been working for me. I've been using a take profit of 5 or 6. A take profit of 5 or 6. So what you do in here is, you say, let's say it's 6, you have to add a 0. So that's a take profit of 6. And watch, you're going to see this green move down closer, because it's a really short take profit. See? So we need the candles to come up to break this, to meet that, and then we'll get our profit. Now for stop loss, I have been using 20 or 25. Let me see what I did on this one. My stop loss was 133.106, so that's 20. So that's a 20 pip stop loss. So for 20 pips, you need to put in 200. You always add a 0 on this thing to give, because these are ticks and you want pips. So again, I did a 20 stop loss, so you add a 0, and then you say okay. Now this is what it looks like. And as you can see, here's the trade from Friday. So I got in at 133.306, and my take profit was 133.366, which is 6 pips. Okay, and you can follow. Here was what happened. Here's the chart. It went up, it didn't break it yet, it came back down, and then it went back up and it broke through. So I that trade was a win. And you can come over here and see it was a Euro JPY. My lot size was 0.05. Take profit was there, and my profit was $2.68. Doesn't sound like much, but when you're doing 20 or 30 of these, it can add up quickly. And this was just in a few hours. You can see my first one was at like 17:23, so like 5 hours. But I was doing this randomly on my phone. I wasn't taking every one. I only took certain trades, and I'm going to explain that to you too. So, and again, guys, when I go through and do a demo on this, I'll show you exactly what I do and how I do it. But I'm showing you right now that my take profit, I'm doing 5 or 6 pips. On this particular one that you're looking at, it was 6 pips. And then my stop loss, I'm typically doing 20 or 25 pips. Now, I know you might be thinking, wow, if you lose a lot. And you could. But again, we're scalping, okay? What we're trying to do is get in and get out quickly. Get our profits quickly and get out. All right? I'm going to show you a spreadsheet that I created that will kind of help you with the math part of that too. So let's recap a little bit. When a trade comes in, here's Euro JPY. You click on it. This is a buy. We come over here and we bring the long position, this little toolbar thing over here. Long position, we bring it over here. Oh, shoot. Sorry. We bring it over here. We place it very close to where the candle is. And then we enter the trade in our MT4. Now, there is something that I do that some people are doing, some people aren't doing. I do use these indicators, okay? Now, this is the RSI, Relative Strength Index. And if you're going to be buying, you want that to be above 60. So if you're buying, you want it below 30. I apologize. You want it down here, below 30 or below. Or for a sell, you want it to be above 70. Now, I'm using this a little bit loosely. I want it to be up here when I'm doing a sell. Not necessarily, I look between 60 and 70. If it's between 60 and 70, then I will most likely get into the trade. And the same thing here, if it's between 30 and 40 or below 30, I will get into the trade, okay? The other thing that I look at is as soon as the trade is called, and I'm notified of that by the cha-ching, I will come over here, and this is on the 5-minute chart, but I will come over to the 1-minute chart, and what I will do is I will make sure, and again, that was at, what time was that at? 2015. So let's find 2015. Oh, it's going to be way back here. Oh, shoot, sorry. I just moved that. 2015, where are you? Right here. So what I do is I come over here and I make sure on the 1-minute chart that the candle is going in the direction that I want it to. So it was a green candle, and then I will get in the trade. So there are a couple of things that I look at before I get in the trade. That's one of them. So I check the 1-minute chart to make sure the candle is going in the direction that I want it to. And I also use the RSI indicator, okay? So let me just, can I edit my notes? Hang on. Oops. Text. Ah! See, I don't use it as much. Fine, it's not letting me. Anyway, the other items are, here's my take profit, here's my stop loss that I've been testing. I also use the relative strength index. For a buy, I want it to be 30, well, actually, let's just say 40 or below. And if it's a sell, I want it to be 60 or above, okay? 60 or above for a sell. That means it's up here. For a buy, I want it to be 40 or below. The other thing is I look on the 1-minute chart to make sure the next candle is going in the direction that I want it to, based on what the call is, okay? Now here's an example of the US dollar Swiss franc, and you can see here's the one that I took a screenshot of it. I got in. I did a 6 pip profit. I did a 25 pip stop loss. So let's find that. on my JAFX. That's USD Swiss franc right here. As you can see, I profited $3.07. Okay, pretty cool stuff. And guys, it might look complicated, and I'm not doing the best job of explaining it. I apologize, but this thing is so simple. Once you do a few trades, it's crazy, crazy easy. Crazy, crazy easy, okay? And if all this stuff scares you, just get rid of some of these indicators. And again, like I said, hopefully tomorrow on Sunday when the markets open, I will find some trades that work for me, and I'll do a demo. The last thing I wanted to show you was a spreadsheet that I came up with in regards to scalping and understanding what you can and cannot do in order to make money, okay? Now, this is just really based on the Web Analyzer, kind of what I've been seeing and what I've been testing. So the first column is just your different lot sizes. Again, you can change this if you want to, and you guys can have access to this spreadsheet. That would be fine. Here's the per pip dollar amount, and here's the these ones that are yellow. All are ones that you fill in, okay? The other boxes I wouldn't mess with or change. They have formulas and things like that. But the ones that are yellow, these are ones that you can change. So let's say your take profit was 3. Whatever, you can just change. You can change these however you want. Let's say you want to do a take profit of 3, and you kept your stop loss at 15. Look at all these went negative now because your take profit's too small. Based on this calculation. Now again, you guys can do whatever you want, right? So what this is telling you is kind of how many trades you need to win in order to be profitable with a strategy like this when you're scalping. So let's say, as an example, let's say I'm using a 0.01 lot size, which is 10 cents per pip. My take profit per trade is 5. My stop loss per trade is 15. I'm going to trade 20 times per day or whatever. Okay, let's say 20 trades per day. I'm projecting to win 16 of those trades. I'm going to lose 4 of those trades. So here we go. My wins will be $8 for the day. My losses will be 6. So my daily profit is 2. If I do that all week long for 5 days, I have a $10 profit for the week. Okay, this is kind of what I've been testing is the 0.05 lot size, but I was actually doing a 6 and 20. Now, you guys, let's check this out. So we can do the example that I just showed you. So I was doing a 6 take profit of 6 pips, a stop loss of 20. I did 10 trades, and I actually won all 10. And that's about what I was at, was $30, okay? And that was only, you guys, that was only for a few hours. Oh my gosh. During Friday afternoon, right before the markets are about to close, which probably wasn't the greatest time to test, but it worked out great for me. So you can see if I can do that for 5 days, every day, my weekly profit would be $150 just from a few hours of trading. And you're getting in and you're getting out. It's so awesome. So this is what gets really interesting though. Let's say you get up to some of these bigger lot sizes. Let's say you're doing a standard lot. It's $10 per pip. And your take profit's going to be 5. Your stop loss is at 15, whatever. Again, you guys can mess with these numbers depending on what you're testing and what you're trading. Let's say you're going to trade 20 trades a day using the Web Analyzer. You're planning an 80% win rate, which is 16 out of 20. So that automatically calculates that you've lost 4. Your wins will be $800. Your losses will be $600. So your total daily profit would be $200 if you're following this strategy. So your weekly profit would be $1,000. Okay? Again, I want to stress to you, past results do not guarantee future results. And guys, demo trade this strategy. Don't jump right in and start doing it. Come over here, get access to the Web Analyzer, and start testing this. This thing is awesome. There are people just killing it with this, and I'm so excited to start, building up my lot size, risking more. Maybe, this is everything. Maybe doing, maybe just doing like and again, I'm not going to jump up to 5 or anything crazy like that, but maybe doing a 3 pip, take profit and maybe a 10 pip stop loss. That's a $320 a week. Again, you can mess around with this spreadsheet. It'll give you different numbers. If you do not have access to the web analyzer, comment below this video and I will help you out. It's part of the iMarketsLive tool suite, but again, guys, right now for the month of December, it's free. You don't have to pay for it if you are I think it's Platinum Plus. I'm not sure if you get it as Platinum. I'd have to look that up. But anyway, if you're not in iMarketsLive, go to tradewithandie.com, put in your email, and I will send you over some more information. But guys, right now, this is free for the month of December, so use it, test it out. It's awesome. It's changing people's lives. Not kidding. Unbelievable. So, Andie Petoskey here. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.